In just 5 minutes, you'll go from zero to creating professional animations in After Effects. Whether you are a complete beginner or want to sharpen your skills, I'll show you 3 essential techniques: building compositions, animating text, and bringing parts to life. By the end, you'll create professional quality animations. If you want the presets I'm using today, I'll drop them in the description below. First, let's open After Effects. Once the software loads, we arrive at the main interface. You can see my recent projects here, but we are going to create a new project by clicking the blue New Project button. Perfect! Now we are in the main workspace. Let's quickly tour the different elements. Left side, the project panel, where we import our files, videos, images, etc. Center, the composition viewer, our main workspace. Right side, effects and preview panels. Bottom left, the timeline with our layers. Top, the tools panel with selection, text, pen tools, etc. Creating your first composition. The first step is creating a new composition. Right-click in the project panel, then select New Composition. In the window that opens, we'll define our composition settings. I'll call it my first comp and keep the default settings for now. Adding a background. You'll notice our composition has a transparent background shown by the checkerboard pattern. To add a background, let's right-click in the timeline and select New Solid. I'll name this layer BG for background and choose a black color. Perfect! Now let's enhance this background by adding an effect. In the Effects and Presets panel, let's search for Gradient Ramp. Simply drag it onto our BG layer. We can now customize this effect in the Effect Controls panel. Change the gradient colors. Modify the gradient type, real, linear, etc. Adjust position and intensity. Text animation, creating text. Let's select the text tool from the toolbar and click in our composition to create our first text. Let's type my first text, for example. To center the text in the composition, we'll use the Align panel and click on the horizontal and vertical centering buttons. Customizing text. In the Character panel, we can change the font. I'll choose Montserrat. Increase the size, let's set it to 100 pixels. Modify the color. To add style to our text, let's select the text layer and add styles in the corresponding panel. For example, a stroke or drop shadow to give it some depth. Analytics text. Now let's animate our text. Select the text layer and expand its properties by clicking the small arrow. We'll find Transform, which contains all our animation parameters. Here's how to proceed. Initial position. Click the stopwatch on position and opacity to create our first keyframes. Initial settings. Set opacity to 0% and move the text off screen. Final position. Move forward in time, 3 seconds for example. Set opacity back to 100% and reposition the text in the center. Smoothing the animation. To make the animation more natural, let's select our keyframes, right-click and choose Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease, or press F9. For even more fluidity, let's open the graph editor and adjust the velocity curves by manipulating the handles. Don't forget to enable motion blur for a more professional render. We've created our first animations in After Effects. We've learned how to animate text, the essential basics for getting started with motion design. Don't forget to subscribe as I'm preparing more tutorials to dive deeper into these techniques. See you soon for more creative adventures.